Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add music bot to Discord server. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, select the server from here. Now after that, just go on top right and click on server name. Click on this drop down arrow and select app directory. Now here, make sure you have selected apps. Go on top right corner and click on search. Here type your music bot. If you're not sure, go with Jockey Music. Now here, download the spot and click on Add App. Okay. Now from here, you can select your server. I'm going with server 1. Now click on Continue. Authorize. Now the bot is added to my server. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.